Explore the future of digital communication with Shared Dream VR, where immersive experiences redefine human interaction. Unlocking the potential of Shared Dream VR is crucial as it offers a transformative shift from superficial digital interactions to enriched, empathetic connections in the digital landscape. Shared Dream VR merges virtual reality and consciousness mapping technologies, allowing users to project and share dreams in real time. As neural interfaces and brainwave decoding advance, the possibility of immersive shared dream experiences grows. This paradigm shift offers richer connections as users engage in co-created multisensory environments rather than scrolling through traditional social media feeds. Economically, this tech could transform digital commerce, evolving from ads to experiential branding and expanding the sphere of NFTs into dreamscapes. However, the ethical concerns are significant, from privacy issues to the psychological effects of blending dream and reality, with the risk of addiction potentially rising. Additionally, this tech can dissolve cultural and language barriers, offering a platform for shared experiences that connect generations and foster empathy. Embrace the conversation around Shared Dream VR. Stay informed about technological advancements and engage with community discussions to help shape this emerging field responsibly and ethically. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos discussing the ever-evolving realm of technological advancements. Until next time, we shall meet again in the near future.